We'd like to walk you through the process of exporting your videos for use on the turbos.
You would use these settings for any video you would need to play back here in the Spory studio.
Most commonly, iNews students are going to use this when they're ready to export their video content. Once you're all finished editing your project, the first thing you should do is save it. The most common times for Final Cut to fail are during rendering and during exporting. It would be a shame to lose everything now.
Once saved, make sure that your timeline is the active window. You can see the active change by the color of the title bar. The lighter gray is the active window. Then make sure that you don't have any individual clips selected. Clicking this empty gray area is usually the best way to go about that.
Now go up to the menu bar and click File, then choose Export, then Using QuickTime Conversion. A window will appear. The first thing to do is give your file a name. If it's for iNews, the name of the file should match the story slug that you have in EMPS. Ours is about doorstops, so we'll just stick with that. Then choose a place to export it to. You should probably use the work folder that we already created. Finally, you'll need to select all the right settings to export. This is where it gets technical, so pay attention.
First, click on the Options button located right here. The Settings window will appear. Then, click on this Settings button. Here at the top, you'll most likely find the default compression of H.264. You'll want to change that to DV/DVC Pro-NTSC. When you select it, you'll get this set of configurations. Don't worry about the Quality tab, as it does pretty much nothing. You do, however, want to change the aspect ratio from 4:3 to 16:9. Then click OK.
Now the last setting to adjust is the size of our video. So click the size button to reveal this screen. The size we want is HD 1440 by 1080. Then click OK to save the size settings, and OK again to get back to the main window.
After checking all your settings again, just to make sure they're still correct, you're ready to click Save, and your video will begin exporting.
Once that's done, it should be all ready to play on the turbos.
Well, that's all we have for this time.
Guess it's time to export this video.
Happy exporting for you and your kin.